Now let's really go into each of them and see exactly what they will do. In the first one, we got to see that nitrates are used in making amino acids. Their absence will cause stunted growth. Plants absorb nitrates from the soil through their root hairs. These nitrates will dissolve in the soil water. Okay, once they dissolve in the soil water, the plants will absorb the nutrients through their root hairs. When the nitrates get into the plants, they combine with glucose to produce amino acids. When we did biological molecules, we got to see that for protein has these elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, with the last element being nitrogen. Now, carbohydrates have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen only. So when the nitrates gets in there, the nitrogen in the nitrates will combine with the glucose to give us our amino acids. These amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Now, we know that protein is a very important nutrient. The protein is used to build the body. So if an organism lacks protein, clearly that organism will not be able to build its body and replace old structures. So when there's a deficiency, there is poor growth in the plant. Now, this field can be separated into two parts. We have the part that is growing very well, and then the part where the plants are having stunted growth. Now, with the part that the field is growing, the crops are growing well, they have all the nutrients they need, but this part lacks nitrogen. So the stems will also become weak. We see that there is stunted growth, and then the stems will become weak. Lower leaves become yellow, while upper leaves turn pale green. So if you can see at the bottom, there are yellow leaves, but the top parts of the leaves are not as green as this side, the plants on this side. The top parts of the plants in the region where nitrogen is lacking have leaves that are pale, that are not as dark as the parts where the plants are having all the nutrients they need.